Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another one-of-a-kind and unique unbox and review episode. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Wrangler Rubicon 132 scale diecast off-road Jeep with sounds and lights, which is manufactured by a company called Magicwand. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, there is nothing much to the packaging on this one, as it comes in a bubble wrap. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open and take a look at what's inside. And please be careful while using sharp objects, and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. So to begin with, this model is a 132 scale diecast replica of the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, which is an absolute beast of a Jeep that rides on 4 massive off-road wheels and comes with a spare wheel mounted on top of the Jeep. This Jeep comes in various color variants, and on purchase, a random color is sent. And in this case, we've got the orange variation, which in fact looks quite good. Well, after getting hands-on with this Jeep, I should admit that I'm happy regarding the build and exteriors, as this Jeep has quite a good build quality with weight to it, and is really sturdy and has quite a premium look to it. This Jeep Wrangler has quite a bit of details and is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 6 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weighs in at about 299 grams. And what's impressive with this model is that it comes with a fully realistic looking body that's of a premium build quality and looks like the real deal, which is really impressive. And I'm lost for words to exactly describe what I feel about this premium diecast Jeep Wrangler. Well, this model comes with spot on trademark paint job with simply amazing and brand details and spot on and intricate details, which makes it an amazing collectible to add to one's collection. In addition to all these amazing features, this premium diecast Jeep also comes with sounds and lights, which really intrigues me. And if that's not enough, this truck also comes with a bonnet and doors that can be opened, which makes it functional, which I can't wait to check out. So stay tuned. Well, on the whole, premium is the word, and with this diecast model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast collector or hobbyist, and moreover is well worth the money you spend for it. So with that being said, now let's take a closer look at this amazing stunner of a Jeep and check out its wheel spin and its functionality, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast Jeep in the description below. Well, I'm really amazed with the amount of details on this particular Wrangler Jeep diecast truck. So let's go ahead and take a look at the sounds and lights this particular Wrangler comes with. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast Jeep Wrangler. And this being my first Jeep, I'm really happy and excited to add this to my ever-growing diecast collection, and this gives me another reason to consider building a diorama around it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast Jeep on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The Jeep Wrangler is a series of compact and mid-size four-wheel drive off-road SUVs manufactured by Jeep since 1986 and currently is in its fourth generation. The Wrangler JL is the most recent generation, which was unveiled in late 2017 and is produced at Jeep's Toledo complex. The Wrangler is arguably an indirect progression from the World War II Jeep, though the civilian Jeeps produced by Willys, Kaiser Jeep and American Motor Corporation from the mid-1940s through 1980s. Although neither AMC nor Chrysler have claimed that the Wrangler was a direct descendant of the original military model, both the CJ Jeeps and the conceptually consistent Wrangler with their solid axles and open top have been called the Jeep model as central to Jeep's brand identity as the rear engine 911 is to Porsche. And for further statistics and information on the Jeep Wrangler, kindly check the links provided in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing and premium diecast Jeep, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your opinions on this amazing 132 scale diecast Jeep Wrangler. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And stay tuned for some unique and fun episodes coming up. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you on the next one. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.